Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I am Elleece London, and for those who do know me, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig or my head top, which got sent to me from Nadulahair, and it came in the length 24 inches. And the density of this wig is 150%, and this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and the texture is straight. And guys, I was super excited to install this wig. So this will be my first time ever installing a highlighted wig from Nadulahair. And guys, I'm telling you, when I put this wig on, I felt like Beyonce, period. Alright guys, so let's get into installing this wig and I'll be back. And just before I go guys, as you guys can see, I glued down this unit with the VO5 Freeze Blast Spray just because I ran out of got2b, so yeah. Also guys, they are doing a back to school sale which is 30% off, so go get you some money off sis. So guys, this wig is 100% human hair, and it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and with baby hair. Alright guys, so if you would like to know all the items that I'm using in today's video, then I'll leave all the links down below from where I purchased them, and then you can go and purchase them also. And if I missed out any information about this hair, the link will also be down below in the description box. So my first initial thoughts about this hair was that it's very long, it's very true to length. The hair is super soft, like butter soft, and the colour and the highlights are just bomb. And as I was running my fingers through the hair, I didn't get no snags or snatches, and literally little to no shedding. And as you guys saw at the beginning, I did not bleach this unit, I just left it how it was and added my foundation on top just to make sure that it blends very well with my skin tone. So this is your proof right here, like you don't even need to bleach this unit, you just go add a little bit of makeup and you're good to go. And if you wanted to straighten this unit as well, this unit takes the heat very well, so you got no worries there. And you get a good amount of parting space with this unit. You can part it down the middle, down the side, the other side. You can also do a half up, half down with this unit. Any sort of hairstyle that you would like, you can do it because you get a large amount of parting space. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop there. So I made this video as informative as possible. If there's any more questions that you would like to know about this wig, let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you, I promise. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop talking there. If you liked today's video and enjoyed watching it, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming back more with the videos and a wig review. You don't want to miss out on that, so stay tuned. Make sure you turn up my post notifications to always know when I upload. And also a big thank you for Nadulahair for working with me again and sending me this beautiful wig. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.